Hello children, good morning. Children, we will be starting our lesson 5 today of Hindi. Okay, every one of you are open Hindi textbooks. Page number 28. Okay, this lesson is about a monkey and two kittens. That means two cats. Two cats and one monkey. Chalak, bandar. Chalak means what? Clever. The monkeys are always clever, right? They'll be jumping and hopping here and there, and then they will be fooling others. Chalak, bandar, the clever monkey. गांव के बाहर एक बरगद का पेड़ था. उस पेड़ पर एक बंदर रहता था. Everyone open textbook page number 28. I started the lesson. So there was a big banyan tree. बरगद का पेड़ means what? Banyan tree. Okay? Banyan tree. And the one monkey used to live on that banyan tree. उसका नाम था चंपू. Okay, what was the name of the monkey? चंपू. चंपू बहुत ही चालाक बंदर था. The चंपू was the very clever monkey. एक दिन चंपू पेड़ की डाल पर बैठा झूल रहा था. So one day the monkey was sitting on the tree branch of the tree and it was swinging. Normally, usually the monkeys will swing from one branch to another, right? So तभी उसकी नजर दो बिल्लियों पर पड़ी. So suddenly it saw the monkey have seen two cats. वे आपस में झगड़ रही थी. उनके नाम पूसी और कबरी थे. So he had the monkey while he was swinging from one branch on the branch of the tree. He saw two of the cats. They were fighting with each other. And the names of the cats were, one cat name was Pussy and another cat name was Kabri. Pussy, यहाँ रोटी मुझे मिली थी, इसे मैं खाऊंगी. Now Pussy is telling what they are fighting actually, both the cats. So Pussy is telling that this, यहाँ रोटी मुझे मिली थी, मैं खाऊंगी. I got this chapati, I am going to eat it. Now Kabri is telling, नहीं, इसे पहले मैंने देखा था. जैसे ही मैं इसे उठाने के लिए चली, तुम उठाकर भाग गई. So here the Kabri is telling, no, I have seen it. मैंने उसे पहले देखा था. I have seen it first. When I came to take it, the piece of chapati, you have come and pounced on it and have taken, grabbed it and ran away. तो तुम वहाँ आकर रोटी उठाई और भाग गई. Pussy, नहीं, तुम झूठ बोल रही हो, बोलती हो. Now Pussy is telling, no, Kabri, you are telling lie. रोटी मैं उठाकर लाई हूँ और मैं ही इसे खाऊंगी. So Pussy is telling, no, I brought this chapati, I am going to eat it, not you. Now again Kabri is telling, Pussy, चुपचाप रोटी मुझे दे दो, इसे मैं खाऊंगी. Now Kabri is telling, Pussy, चुपचाप, be quiet and give back my chapati. That is, it belongs to me and I am going to eat it. Pussy, अगर नहीं दूध तो. Now Pussy is telling, if I don't give, what you are going to do with me? In this attitude, these two kittens cats are fighting. Kabri is telling, अगर नहीं दोगी तो मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगी. Now the Kabri is telling, if you are not going to give back that piece of chapati to me, I am going to bang on your face and I am going to break your mouth. Okay, in this way only you guys also will fight now with your friends. So Pussy, मैं तुम्हारे साथ लड़ूंगी. Now Pussy is telling, what if you are going to break my mouth? Even I am going to fight with you. पर रोटी नहीं दूंगी. But I am not going to give you the chapati. चाहो तो आओ लड़ो, मुझसे रोटी छीनकर तो दिखाओ. Now the Pussy is challenging to the Kabri. See, if you are coming to break my mouth or break my face, I am not going to be quiet. Even I am going to fight with you. If you have that much of guts, come fight with me and take the chapati from me. चंपू ने पूसी के हाथ में बड़ी सी रोटी देखी तो उसके मुंह में पानी आ गया. उसने मन ही मन कहा, रोटी ना पूसी खाएगी और ना कबरी, रोटी को तो मैं खाऊंगा. उसके बाद वह झट से नीचे कूदा और बिल्लियों के बीच जा पहुंचा. Now this the all drama, whatever the fight was going on, the quarreling, the monkey was watching from the tree, right? So when the monkey saw the chapati in one of the pussy's hand, that means in its mouth, it thought, the monkey thought, see, the chapati is not going to get to pussy, not even to kabri, but the chapati, I am going to eat it and I am going to enjoy it. By thinking this, it came down. The monkey came down from the tree. चंपू, अरे तुम एक रोटी को लेकर क्यों झगड़ रही हो? झगड़ना ठीक नहीं है, रोटी आपस में बराबर बांटकर खा लो. Now the monkey is telling, why you guys are fighting for the, तुम क्यों लड़ रही हो? लड़ना means क्या है? Why you guys are fighting with each other only for a piece of chapati? Do one thing, divide the chapati into two pieces, two equal parts, and both of you guys can enjoy the chapati. पूसी, ठीक है, रोटी को बराबर बांटकर खा लेंगे. क्यों कबरी, मानती हो मेरी बात? Now Pussy is telling, okay, we'll tear the chapati into two pieces. That means we will divide the chapati into two pieces and we may share. What say, Kabri? What your this idea is good or not? It is asking. Pussy is asking. Kabri, हाँ मानती हूँ, पर रोटी का बंटवारा कौन करेगा? Now Kabri is telling, okay, I agree with you that we will divide it, but who is going to make it in the perfect half? Who is going to break this? That means tear the chapati into the perfect half, that you are going to get the same share and I am going to get the equal share. चंपू, तुम दोनों राजी हो तो मैं यहाँ रोटी तुम दोनों में बराबर बांट दूंगा. Now Champu is exploring his mind here. He is telling, if you both cats agree with it, I am going to make the chapati, divide the chapati into two equal parts so that both of them can enjoy. Now बिल्लियाँ तैयार हो गई, बंदर तराजू ले आया. So both the cats got ready. They said, okay, you only divide this chapati into two pieces. And at that time, monkey brought one balance, weighing balance. See, you can see here, it is holding the weighing balance. So it is known as तराजू in Hindi. बंदर तराजू ले आया, उसने रोटी के दो टुकड़े किए. So when he brought the weighing balance, it had torn the chapati, and एक बड़ा और दूसरा छोटा. What the बंदर have done? बंदर is very clever, right? It had made the chapati, it had torn, but not in the equal parts. One part was bigger and one part was smaller. तराजू के दोनों टुकड़ों को तराजू के दोनों पलटों में रख दिए. So after tearing the chapati into two parts, the monkey have placed the two pieces of chapatis in the two plates of the weighing balance. बड़े टुकड़े वाला पलटा झुक गया. पलटा means the plate, okay, the weighing balance plate or the bowl. So in which plate the larger part of the chapati was there, that went down, and the smaller part of the chapati plate went up, because the heavier things will come down and the lighter things will go up when we are measuring, right children? So बंदर ने थोड़ी सी रोटी तोड़कर खा ली. What the बंदर have done? It had tear the piece of chapati from the plate which had went down. It had torn, the monkey had torn, and it ate, saying that, see, now it is going to be equal. अब दूसरा पलटा झुक गया. Now what happened? When he was weighing the down plate, the monkey have torn the chapati, a small piece of chapati, and it ate. When he torn the chapati, this plate went up and the other plate went down, because this chapati piece became small and that chapati piece became big. Now इस बार उसने दूसरे पलटे की रोटी से कुछ टुकड़ा तोड़कर खाया. At this time, second time, what he have done? The second plate he have torn the chapati from that second plate and it ate. इस तरह बराबर करने के चक्कर में बंदर ने पूरी रोटी खा डाली. Now whenever the plate was going up and down, he was tearing the chapati piece by piece. He was enjoying nicely. He was thinking, this is equal, this is equal, that is equal, that is more, and this is more. In this process only, he have eaten the full chapati. अब तराजू में रोटी बची ही नहीं थी. Now in the plates of the taraju, the balance, the roti was not there. The completely chapati was eaten by the monkey. दोनों बिल्लियां बोली, धूर्त बंदर, तू तो सारी रोटी अकेले खा गया. Now the cat started saying, you idiot, monkey, and you, how dare you to eat our chapati? We have brought it and you have eaten the whole chapati. Now चंपू ने कहा, दो के झगड़े में तीसरे को ही लाभ मिलता है. Now the monkey said, of course, when two people are fighting, the third person will be enjoying their fight. Yes or no, children? That's the reason we should never fight for the silly things, because there may be this third person or some of our enemy or some of our other friend who will be enjoying our, what we call, our fight, and he will be benefiting with our fights. Nice lesson, no? So you guys once again go through the lesson and explain this lesson to your parents or to your brother or sister, the smaller siblings, even they are going to enjoy. Okay, let's meet up in the next class. There I will be giving the notes. Take care, children. Bye bye.